Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Zelle with US Bank mobile app step by step clearly. Open the US Bank mobile app on your smartphone. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Pay option in the main menu. Tap on Pay. Then select Zelle. If it's your first time using Zelle, you may need to agree to the terms and conditions. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the setup. To send money, choose Send Money with Zelle. Input the recipient's email address or mobile number. Enter the amount you wish to send. Optionally, add a note to describe the payment. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Tap on Send. You will receive a confirmation once the payment is successfully sent. To request money, select Request Money with Zelle. Choose the recipient by entering their email or mobile number. Input the amount you wish to request. You can also include a note for clarity. Review your request details. Tap on Request. You will be notified when the recipient accepts your request. To view your transaction history, go back to the Zelle section. Your past transactions will be displayed here for easy reference. That's it. You're now ready to use Zelle with your US Bank mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.